I decided traveling around the country racing toy cars was played out, and so back in mid-2000 bought a Toyota pickup and decided to go four-wheeling with it. I quickly outgrew that Toyota pickup because it had to get trailered everywhere. And so I bought a TJ, built a TJ, did the long arm, did the Atlas, did all the normal hardcore off-road stuff with it, and had a lot of fun with it. And then the JKs came out. And when the JKs came out, I really liked the look of the four-door. I liked the comfort of the upgraded suspensions that the JKs came with. And so I traded in a TJ and bought a JK. That was back in 2010. That's when I first met Larry McRae from Poison Spider. He had just bought Poison Spider. He was just starting to get his business going. I got connected with him through a good friend of mine, Joe Bunker. Larry said he was interested in helping me build my Jeep, and that's pretty much where I got my start. I was the Pacific Northwest representative for Poison Spider. We built this JK up. It was on 40s and did a lot of cool things with it, and that's pretty much it.